Back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 3 to the power of x equals 243, and our goal is to find the value of x. So whenever we're solving exponential equations like this, we always want to make our bases here, which in this case are 3 and 243, we want to make them the same. Because let's say we have a to the power of x equals a to the power of c, right? Because our bases are same in this case, we know that our exponents are the same as well. So we could just set them equal to each other. We know that x is equal to c. So in this case, if we make our bases the same, then we know that our exponents are the same as well, and then we can find the value of x easily. So we have 3 to the power of x equals 243. So how would we convert one of these numbers to make the other one the same as this one? Well, let's do 243. 243 is equal to 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of 5. 243 is equal to 3 to the power of 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to write 3 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 5, because 243 is 3 to the power of 5. Now, our bases are the same, so we know that our exponents here, x and 5, we know that these two are the same as well. So now, we could simply make these two equal each other. So x equals 5. And this is our answer. So it's as simple as that. And we already know that 243 equals 3 to the power of 5, so we don't really need to do any of this. We already see that 3 to the power of 5 equals 243, so we already know that x equals 5. So that's another way. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing of why this seemingly simple problem stumped the entire internet and caused a whole argument. So our problem here is 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2. And to those people who are really smart and really good at math, you know that this is a simple 5th grade, 4th grade problem, and it really is. So the first step is to add the numbers in the parentheses. And this is what everyone agreed on. Everyone agreed that this was the first step. So we have 2 plus 2, and as we all know, that's 4. So this brings our equation to 4 times 2, and 8 divided by 2 times 4. So everyone agreed on this one step. However, what people disagreed on was the next step. Some people said that you should multiply the 4 and the 2 first. So that would bring us 4 times 2 is 8. So then we would have 8 divided by 8, and this would equal 1. So around 50% of people said that you should do that, and the other 50 said that when you're given this, you should first divide the 8 and the 2. So 8 divided by 2, as we all know, is 4. So then we would do 4 times 4, and this would give us 16. So 16 and 1 were the answers that caused a whole argument. And this problem is fairly simple if you know PEMDAS. If you know what PEMDAS is, then this problem should be a breeze to you. PEMDAS is, well, the P stands for parentheses, the E stands for exponent, so we have like x to the power of 4, the M stands for multiplication, the D stands for division, the A stands for addition, and the S stands for subtraction. So this is the order of operations that you use to solve an equation or expression. So what people thought was, oh, so first you go at parentheses, right? So they did the parentheses first. They did 2 plus 2 first, so they got 4. And then they went next, they checked exponents. Well, there are no exponents, so you could skip that part. Then they go multiplication, and they think, oh, well, we have 4 times 2 here, so because that's before division, we would do that first. So they did 2 times 4, which is 8, and then since there was no multiplication left, they went on to division, and that's how some people got the answer of 1. However, that is actually wrong, because this isn't actually the right order. The right order is actually multiplication or division, and addition or subtraction. And the order of this depends on which one comes first. If multiplication comes first, left to right, then you would do multiplication first. And if division came first, left to right, then you would do division first. And as you can see, in this problem, division comes first, left to right. We have division here, left to right, and then we have multiplication. So we would first do 8 divided by 2, which is 4, and then we would multiply it with the 4 to get 16. So 16 is actually the right answer here. And multiplication and division comes first, and then you look for addition or subtraction, and the same thing, whatever comes first, left to right, you do that first. So most people weren't taught that maybe in school or something like that, and they might have got confused and tried to use PEMDAS the wrong way. So that's why this problem confused most people.